Hey beautiful people, welcome. My name is Nobonga and you've officially tuned in to Life ntmkhabela. I hope you to stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So welcome to the first episode of Back to Beauty, and today we are doing a full face of makeup tutorial and we're gonna be starting with eyebrows. Start by brushing your brow hairs up using a spoolie. So for drawing our brows, you're going to be using these brow pencil from Purp. It is not the best, but I've seen worse. Personally, I start drawing my brows from the bottom part, following the exact shape of my brows. If your brows are all over, then the tip I can give is trim them. Another tip, use a brow pencil that is more like your brow hairs color. For the top part of your brows, do not brush your brow hairs down. Instead, level them and start drawing an inch back from where your brows start, connecting both the lines. So after that, you go in, fill in your brows where you feel like you do not have enough brow hairs. Do not crayon your brows, like we are over that era. Around the inner corner of your brows, do hair-like strokes to make sure that they look kinda natural. To clean up your brows, go in with a concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in a shade Fawn. When you are applying the concealer into the brush, make sure you use it side to side. Do not dip in the brush because it will take a lot of product. Just do not dip in the brush. Now to clean your brows, start an inch back from where your brows start, leaving the inner corner. Do not start applying concealer or cleaning your brows from the inner corner because we're going to be using a foundation of your very own shade to clean up that part, so it can be easy to blend when you are trying to blend your whole face. So as you can see, or as you're about to see, I am using a foundation of my exact shade to clean the inner corner, which makes it very easy to blend the foundation when you apply it around your nose. After that, go in and blend as if your life depends on it. For the top part of your brow, use a foundation of your own shade, like the very same foundation you have used for your inner corners. Again, it helps with making blending easy because makeup depends on blending. Blend ke sana, blend asifuni mashela hlangene kulo December, blend. Now for your eyes, start giving your eyelids a little bit of blending to make sure that there are no creases. Go in with anything you can use as your eyeshadow base. So I am using a eyeshadow base that is white together with a concealer that is white. So I'm just mixing both of them and then giving it a little bit of blending. As usual, blending is key. So we're going to be using this eyeshadow palette from Scarlet Hill. I've had this eyeshadow palette for a while. It is very affordable, so nobody's going to say makeup is expensive. So we are going in with the deeper shade of brown. As you apply the darker shade on your outer V, give it a little bit of blend using circular motion and fading it towards the inner corner. Do not apply new product towards the inner corner, but fade the brown color towards the inner corner. Now we're gonna go in with the pink shade from the Revolution palettes to blend out the edges of the brown shade. We are actually transitioning the colors. It's a transition shade, yeah. So we're gonna go in again with another transition shade from these palette. It is from Signature, and we're going to be using the warm color, which is orange, to further blend the pink shade. So now go in with a clean fluffy brush or blending brush to blend all the colors together. So now go on and clean the eyelid space. You can use literally anything from makeup remover, concealer, and yeah, specifically I am using all because that is the only thing that is close to me. And then I go in with a coating pad just to tap out the excess oil. So now we're gonna be applying this creamy shade on the eyelids. It is a very beautiful and very creamy shade. It is on the Revolution palette, and yeah, I feel like the look is really coming together so far. So yeah, now we're gonna go back to the Scarlet Hill palette and dip in the rose gold color. That is because that was like the most appealing color that I saw fit for this look. And yeah, blend in the shimmer shade as you apply it. So again, on the Scarlet Hill shade, go back to the deep brown color and apply it on the outer V just to deepen the outer V space. Go in with a lighter shade of brown to blend out the edges of the deeper shade. We do not want demarcation on our eyelids. So just to give this eye a further blend it back and forth, diffusing the colors to each other. As you can see, I am also doing it on the other eye, back and forth, diffusing the colors. So now to clean up the face, because we are almost done with the look, I am going in with the Portia M toner just to clean up any fallouts. And the most important part, that is moisturizing. I am using oil to moisturize, and that is because I feel like my skin is kinda dry in a way. The weather has not been good lately. So yeah, go in with oil, apply it all around my face. Start by using a moisturizer, any form of a moisturizer, before applying makeup. Now to make the makeup set and minimize pores, I go in with a pore eraser and applying it mostly around the places or the T-zones which are very oily, and yeah, blending it out. So waiting it to get a little bit tacky before applying foundation. So foundation, I'm gonna be using this Fit Me Maybelline foundation. I'm not sure of the shade, but I am gonna be linking everything on the description box. Make sure to apply very little product, especially if you've got large pores or texture on your skin. If you've got like dark spots or anything to hide, go in with a concealer first, hide those marks, hide those spots, and then go in with the foundation after. So now I am gonna go in with a blending sponge to further blend everything together. The next step, it's gonna be contouring. To contour your face, use either a foundation or a concealer that is 2 shades darker than your skin tone. I am using I think it's an LA Girl. And yeah, to blend out the foundation or your contour, just use a suitable brush. This is a contour brush from Shein. It is 28 rand. Like, it's literally 28 rand and it does the job. So now to highlight my face, I'm gonna go in with a highlighter. So to highlight, you're gonna be highlighting your under eyes, your forehead, the bridge of your nose, and yeah, I think those are the most places which are usually highlighted. And yeah, I did not use a very bright color for this look or bright shade for this look. Instead, I went on a concealer that is close to my shade. So go on and use a blending sponge. I prefer using a blending sponge when I blend a concealer, but yeah, it's a matter of preferences. I go in with a blending sponge to blend out the concealer. A damp beauty blender, damp it in water, then use it. It doesn't suck a lot of products, and yeah, it saves products. So now we use the contour brush that you have used for contouring. Do not apply new product, but blend the edges of the concealer together with the contour. Do not add new product, just use the product that is on the brush itself after contouring. So go in with a beauty sponge to further blend everything in together. As I said, blending is key. So now to set the contour, I am gonna go in with this compact powder, which is of my exact shade, like the only compact powder so far that I've found of my exact shade, like from the ones that I've tried. But I'm still gonna try more because I'm sure there is more on the market. I'm just not trying enough. So now for blush, I am gonna go in with this red lip gloss. I love using lip gloss as blush because I really found blush very powdering on my skin. So I apply it before setting my face. So I'm gonna go on contouring my nose. I really do not know how I forget to contour my nose. Like, I really do not know. So now for setting the concealer, I am gonna go in with a translucent powder, setting all the places that I have applied concealer. Contour. Just use either compound powders, translucent powders, like whatever powder that you find suitable for your skin or for your skin tone. Use it to set your face. So do remember to blow out the excess of the translucent powder if you're going to be setting using it, to make sure that it doesn't appear cakey on your face. Now I'm gonna be baking my nose. Like, I found my nose very oily. Like, I could literally sweat around my nose when it's cold. I don't know why, how, but yeah, it does happen. So that's one reason I set my nose. Now coming to my lips, which is my most favorite part. Go in and line your lips. That's what I'm doing, lining my lips. Like, lining your lips, it just make the lipstick looks very good. So I'm gonna go in with this Purple lipstick from Signature. I really do not love this lipstick, to be honest, because it is too much of purple, and I love nude and red lips. So yeah, go on and blend it. So my fingers does a good job on blending. So to kind of dissolve the color, I go in with these lip gloss from Neo Cosmetics, and yeah, blend my lips together until the colors blend in together. So now I'm gonna go on with a lip liner pencil, just to give back the definition of my lips as I blend everything together. So now it's mascara time, because I'm not gonna be applying false lashes. I'm just only gonna be applying mascara. I'm not sure where this mascara is from, but as I said, I will try to put everything in the description box. So now I'm gonna go on, use a fluffy brush and dust out the translucent powder around my nose, making sure that everything is set good, and yeah, ready rock the street. So to keep my makeup intact and locked together, I'm going in with a setting spray from Maybelline. I love these setting sprays. Like, I'm drowning in these setting sprays. So giving my hair a little fix before highlighting. So to highlight, I'm gonna be using this highlighter. I got this highlighter from Dragon City, and yeah, it is a very much beautiful highlighter. I'm not a highlighter kind of girl, but then yeah, I still do use it. I am using it on my nose, as you can see. Also highlighting my brow bones just to give this look a little bit of a vibe. My cheeks as well, I do not put much highlighter on my cheeks because I am not a highlighter kind of girl, giving it a little bit of blend. So yeah, we're ready to rock this look. Thank you for watching. Bye.